on this show, I drink and I review. 2 things I am so good at, people. Look at this new dope bike I got from Mooncool. This is their TK1 folding electric trike. Yeah, that's right. If you think you are seeing double back here, you are correct, because there are 2 wheels back here, people. And do you know what that means for people like me? It's just a little more stable, which I kind of need. I kind of need it. And you know what? This guy is such an attention grabber. The amount of people that stop me on my way to where I'm riding and say, "Oh, yo girl, yo, look at you on your big girl trike." Such attention, people. Everybody wants this bike. And you know what my favorite thing on this bike is? This e-trike. Did I just pick up a new word? I just made up a new word. I'm so smart, people. E-trike. You know what I love about this bike? This is my go-to shopping cart, people. I live in a neighborhood where the grocery store is like so close. So I save the world by riding this bike instead of my car. It just feels stupid riding my car to the store now because I waste gas. And this thing is so much fun, people. So anyways, here is some footage of me while I'm sober, because we don't drink and ride around here, people, of me going to the store to pick up all my favorite essentials. And by the way, if I wanted to, I could go to 50 stores if I wanted to, people, because this goes 60 miles per charge. Yes, you read right. 60 miles. And it goes 16 miles per hour, which is so good for me. It's not too fast. It's not too slow. It's just right. It's got a 500 watt motor with 750 watt peak power, and it's got pedal assist to keep these puppies nice and toned. Look what this bike does to my legs, people. So good. And I'm sure you've picked up by now that this e-trike is the perfect shopping mobile because it's got a front basket and a back basket, so I can put anything in there. I can even put my pugs in there. No, I wouldn't do that to them. I wouldn't. No. And it's foldable, people. You heard right. I can just fold this puppy up and it saves so much space in my garage, people. And guess what, people? It already comes 95% pre-assembled. Yeah, you heard right, 95%. That's only like 5% of work left, people. All right. Let me go through some more specs on this awesome Mooncool electric trike. It's got a 48-volt lithium battery that detaches. So that's real cool. It is so damn convenient for charging. It's got these 20-inch by 3-inch tires that powers the motor, so it gives you a smooth and cool ride to wherever you're going. It's got disc brakes too, people. It's got this really cool rear differential mechanism that helps with control and stability on turns. Everybody wants that. It's got blinkers and a horn, so I can be a really responsible trike rider. It's got a front headlight and tail lights that light up when you brake, so safety is always first, people. So if you want this dope mobile, this is the best e-trike out there. You are going to love it, and everyone else is gonna want it. So get yours today in the caption. And in the meantime, subscribe, like, what else is there? Comment, you can comment too. And until next time, I will see you on the next Drunk Mom Review.